Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need two things right away: a Zoom Pro or higher account and a YouTube channel cleared for live streaming. Once you've confirmed both, open YouTube Studio and get the stream key from Create right arrow go live right arrow stream. Next, in Zoom's web portal, enable custom live streaming service, which lives under account or meeting settings. Make sure you save changes. This starts the connection process. Don't skip fetching the stream key, because Zoom won't push video without it. Once done, start the Zoom meeting you intend to stream. In the meeting controls, click More and select Live on Custom Live Streaming Service. Paste the server/RTMP ingest URL and the stream key you copied from YouTube. Also include the live stream page URL so chat/description link correctly. Save and confirm. You'll see a prompt, authorize the stream to start. Make sure your host starts the recording or shares content. Zoom sends the live feed to YouTube's ingest server in real time. You should now watch YouTube Studio for stream health. Once YouTube reports a good connection, you're live. When the meeting ends, stop the live stream from Zoom. YouTube will finalize the recording automatically. If you don't see video on YouTube, first double-check the stream key and ingest URL match exactly. Then verify any firewall or network blocks for RTMP traffic. If audio or video drops, reduce resolution or switch to low latency. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.